Did you know that the layout and energy flow of your home or workplace can directly impact your prosperity and success? 90% of the people don't know this, but 1/3 of your energies are influenced by the spaces you live in. That's why, despite of working hard or trying to improve certain aspects of your life actively, there is a disconnect in wealth, health, emotions, and relationships. The orientation of your homes or offices can play a major role in this. If you're someone who wants to learn the science behind the Vastu and Feng Shui and use it in a day-to-day application to bring growth, prosperity, and harmony in your life, in the fields such as wealth, health, relationship, and emotions, you're at the right place. If you want to break through this, we are having a workshop on the secrets of Vastu and Feng Shui for success, prosperity, and health. I am S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker, and entrepreneur, and help 1,000+ clients prosper by simply improving their spaces. If you're someone who's looking to grow and prosper in all the fields of your life, I invite you to my workshop where you will learn the potential root cause hindering your growth and prosperity due to spaces. 10 secrets anyone can use to improve 75% energies of their homes and workspaces. What is Vastu and its importance to 10x health, abundance, relationship, and emotion. 5 ways to balance positive and negative energies in your home and workspaces. Health issues due to imbalance in Ayurveda in your spaces and how do we balance that. Importance of Vastu in our lives and much more. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life with the right spaces and the right energy.